What's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Queen Hadassah and I'm back again with another interesting video. But before we get into today's video, please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And for my returning subscribers, I appreciate you. Welcome back. And for the ones who have not yet subscribed, please take a second. Tap up baby. Tap your subscribe button. Tap. Please subscribe, support me because I am giving you guys back-to-back content over here. So please just engage with me by liking, sharing, commenting, and tap that post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among my first notification family. So for today's video, before we go any further, we are going for our monthly shopping. I want to take you guys with me. So it will be a shopping haul vlog. And I will show you guys what I've bought in the end of the shopping, in the end of the day. So yes, let's head out.
Don't let go my hand, no need to pretend. I want you forever, I will love you to the end. Hoping
Jamaa pikipiki sasa amegongwa.
Umegongwa babe. Ako wapi? Ameden. Our car has been hit by a super bike, so we are back. Haja damage sana, the pikipiki haja damage sana gari yetu. So babe, surely aki huyu I cannot record in peace. Anyway, yes, tunaenda shopping. Yes, and I'm taking you with me. So say hi.
Hello.
How are you? Kulikuwa unaanza kuangalia damage costs. We're good. It's raining guys.
don't let go my hand, no need to pretend. I want you forever, I will love you to the end. Hoping
Fika destination yetu, tuko Naivas. Huyo anatoka, I think sasa kuna watu kadhaa wametoka. Yeah, we're looking for parking.
I feel alone inside a crowd, 'cause I can't see you anywhere. You've gone and I've come down, 'cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far we'll go, 'cause you know I'll stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you. I wanna find you.
Now we're done with today's shopping. We're going back home.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. highways, and on we'll go.
Hi fam! Now we're back home and I want to just unpack with you guys whatever I bought just randomly kwa sababu sijazitoa bado kwa nimeanza kuinua sijazitoa bado kwa packaging yake. So just a quick mbio hivi ndio tuende tukapike supper. First, let me start with this is our monthly shopping, but tulikuwa na vitu kadhaa, so now ni tu zile vitu zilikuwa zimeisha katikati ya mwezi ndio tulienda tukazi restock. So first let's start with the tissue. We bought tissues 10 pack. Alafu acha before hadi nianze, mimi napenda offers. Ai, ni nani apendi offer na hii economy? Who? I went to Naivas, by the way. That is the supermarket we go to. That is our supermarket. Yes, so we bought tissues. I'm just randomly showing you guys everything we bought. Mona, offer. Offer mambo yake. Obviously, my favorite chocolate. Naitangwa Cadbury cream white. Bought scones, buns for making naitangwaje burgers. Mkate. Aki mimi niko obsessed na mkate. Mimi naweza maliza mkate chome, but I love bread. Milk, like a couple of packs. Yogurt. Our favorite flavor is vanilla. Yes, we take vanilla yogurt. More milk. Mnaona? More milk. Sausages, lazima. Yes. Beef sausages, meaty beef sausages. This is hot and sweet for me. I take hot and sweet. Blue Band Prestige. For me, my guy doesn't take Blue Band, so yoyote ni yangu. Chili sauce yake. Watu wa pilipili. Mapilipili. Baby girl lazima kule cornflakes. Jo ukinyonyesha, let me tell you, ukinyonyesha unakuanga na ile njaa. More milk. Njaa ingine sijui utoka wapi. Sube. And let me tell you guys, ndio mjua economy imepanda. Hii chumvi tulikuwa tunanuanga ni 20. Sasa sijui ni 70 ama. Salt. Economy. Watu watafute kazi, watu wafanye kazi. Don't joke. Kidogo shopping kidogo imesha kugonga 1500. Kidogo imesha gonga tu vitu tunaingia that ka shopping pagile imepita hadi 1000 uko like what is this Kenya? What ama dunia nzima? But spaghetti. I bought spaghetti. Our favorite juice, tropical mint made. Delight tropical. We love tropical. Kwanza ikiwa baridi. Favorite. Hi mommy. Unga ya ngano. All purpose. Unga hii inatukalisha kama miezi 2. Imagine I think 2 kgs can stay kwa tukula ugali sana. But yes. Hey. Let me shout, guys. Sukari. Adomanya dufia. Sukari hadi ni venye ilikuwa kwa offer. Sukari imefika 400. Guys. Wow. I was perplexed. I was mesmerized. I was shocked. I was flabbergasted. Na sisi watu wa uji na vile uji ukunywa maziwa weda ni that pack. Na vile uji ukunywa sukari. Anyway, another offer we got. Ushindi, buy one get one free. Offer ni mama ya offer. Tafuteni supermarket iko na offer. But omo. Intangwaje super bright. Yes, but super bright ya kuosha vyombo. We're about to finish, guys. Jama, hii ilikuwa bado offer. And then in Naivas, it's not sponsored, but Naivas have good prices. Wako na bei fiti. Buy tissue roll. Hii lazima kama when mpishi kama mimi lazima ukuwe na tissue roll. Tangu aje ina nini? Towel. Printed kitchen towel. Okay? What else? Imagine, guys, ni kama zimeisha au bado. We have Sky Bright ya kusugua masufuria zako. But ito aje? Wild Night for Men body splash. Basically, we're done, guys. We're done. That was all. That was fast. That was easy to do. Anyway, and guys, we'll see you in the next video. I don't know why I'm so excited in this video. It's just getting the vibe.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
The next day.
Hi fam. Jana tulienda shopping. So leo tunaenda soko. So I'm taking you guys with me, but sijui kama nitaweza kurecord. Ninaenda Githurai, so sijui kama nitaweza kurecord. Anyway, if you know, you know. But I will try, hata kama sitawaonesha vile kile nitabuy nikiwa soko, nitawaonesha after what I bought. Because safety is important.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
So hi fam, I am back at home and I want to show you a quick haul of the vitu za soko nimebuy. Si mingi. I just bought kidogo what I did not have, and we will start with before we start. Aki watu hii economy. Where guy, anyway, it to at least wanna save 1 penny or 2. So the first thing I will show you guys that I bought me nyanya, tomatoes. Oh, nilienda Githurai 44, soko ya Githurai 44, and it was I think I should go next time ile siku ya soko, na nimeambiwa siku ya soko ni Saturday ama Sunday. Hiyo siku at least kuna vitu mingi na watu ni wengi, like the sellers are a lot. Leo kulikuwa na limitation. Last time nikienda kulikuwa na watu wengi wa kuuza vitu, so you had varieties to choose from. But leo it wasn't that much, but we did what we had to do. So tomatoes hizi zote zilikuwa zinakuja 120. Zinaitangwa meshiri. Meshiri ndio gani kwa kizungu? I bought this hohos. The terms in English are a bit challenging, but nilibuy hizi mpishi, sikubuy mob. Moja sijui ni 40 bob. Za mokimo, mimi na mokimo. I bought this are enough for my family. Is it vitunguu, nikanunua ndimu. Here are my potatoes. They look nice, they look fresh. Yes, this whole pack I have bought it for I think 120. Nani mob any deal. You know, when you're breastfeeding, you have to be healthy. At least mtoto anakula vitu healthy. Nikanunua hizi ni ndoma niyo, kuna sweet potatoes na kuna arrowroots. So these are my sweet potatoes. Love them fried. And if you want to check on how you can fry your potatoes, ndoma, mangwashe, sweet potatoes, arrowroots, or yams, I showed you guys a video of how I fry my arrowroots. So you can do that to any of the potatoes you have. At least to break the norm of kukula zikiwa too normal. Lingine nimeona iki kihoho kyote iki moja ilikuwa 10 bob. Mimi nimeona ikiwa poa. My garlic and ginger. Stew zangu zote lazima zikuwe na ginger na garlic. Mapilipili. Sisi kwetu tunakula pilipili. So I also bought ini maka. I want to boil my ndengu. That's why I buy charcoal. For peas, I bought peas. Peas are kind of expensive, but they're okay. Napenda dania. I love parsley. I love them. So easy. I think yote, bunch yote, ilikuwa 20 bob. Ilikuwa deal. So I think basically that was my shopping. But let me tell you guys. Joezi enda soko upite kila kitu. Hata kama umefocus akili yako, lazima impulse buy 1 to 3 vitu. So let me show you what I impulse buyed. So fam. Look at this bag. It's new aki. Aka. Nimenunua 50 bob. Aka. Look at the details. Apa juu. The wood. I may fell in love with this. I fell in love with this. Adi hii. This ka sling bag. Alafu ikona details zingine. Inaka tu kitu quality. Kitu you can have it for so long. Even the inside is so nice. It's so spacious. Ay. Singeacha. Kile ilini bamba of all the things. Kiodo. Look at this kiodos. Dena kiodo mani. Dena kiodo ni. My mom always says, ukienda kwa mtu, if you go visit someone, you need to have a kiondo with you. Kiondo ni a bag you carry every time you go visit people, so that you can put like a bit of shopping in there. And mama, I have my kiondos. And it was only 50 shillings. Hey, this was the highlight of my shopping, Aki. Aki inakaa po, alafu ni bigi, ni kubwa. I love this. Basically, that's my shopping, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the shopping haul. Tell me if you want more of this content. We also bought 2 kgs of matumbo, 1 kg of minced meat, and over here we have 2 kg of beef meat. Yes, tuko na maini kwa fridge na kuku. So yes.
Later that same evening.
What's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today nimecravia pizza. So I'm going to get pizza. I'm in TRM, Thika Road Mall. Yes, and I'm taking you guys with me. Okay.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind.
Here, I hope there is no line. I hope ni mbio juu ya mtoto. So yes.
Days when I see your face, you before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want, but I don't.
I have my pizza over here. Now I'm heading home. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. I think this is the end of my vlog. We'll see each other on the next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on my videos. and tap that post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among my first notification family. Bye guys.